coming, and we want to show you how we can keep you warm and increase your productivity this winter with our heating solutions. So whether your home heating is acting up or your site doesn't have heating installed yet, our extensive range of electric, propane, natural gas and diesel fueled units have you covered. Available in an array of sizes, these enclosed frame heaters are incredibly safe and can be placed indoor or outdoor and ducted in depending on your application. They offer a high volume of air output, providing maximum heat distribution for your needs. This unit here is dual fuel, running on either propane or natural gas with an easy to switch method, making it really versatile. For today, we're going to be running this LB350 on propane and are going to show you how to operate it in a few simple steps. If running inside, ensure that the heater has proper ventilation. Attach the propane fitting and open, and spray soapy water to test for any leaks. Now attach your ducting, keeping it as straight as possible. Ensure that your thermostat is connected and that you have power to a dedicated 120 volt 15 amp outlet. Set your desired temperature on the thermostat to regulate what temperature you need and flick the switch to heat. If the heater is not producing heat for whatever reason, our service department can help you troubleshoot over the phone. And in the absolute worst case, we can simply replace the heater for you. A simple troubleshooting tip is to check your high limit shutoffs, with two switches located here and can be reset by pushing this button. If you need help with proper sizing, our rental experts can definitely recommend the right size and quantity based on your needs. We even provide free site consultations. Thanks for watching, have a great day.